Tuesday 27th of September 2022. We are currently in Cadiz, so stopped off. There's only one more port stop after this one. I'm going to go for a bit of a walk. I did actually make a video a couple of years ago here, so we're going to walk maybe a different way and just see if there's anywhere else that might be worth sharing with you. Walking around the corner and just heading to where, well, in fact, there's a Sail GP racing, so that would have been exciting to see. So we have walked along the seafront, and that was really nice, and we went down to the beach and walking along the beach, and this is really lovely just along the beach here. So nice, the sand's lovely and soft, the water's cool to the touch, but I'm sure as ever it's lovely once you're in. That was a really lovely walk. We walked about 2.5 miles, I guess. I think it's about 3 miles back to the ship, but about 2.5 miles along the beach. Absolutely gorgeous beach. It's low tide today, so loads of areas to walk. The sand is really easy to walk on. So we're just going to turn around now, so we can find somewhere to get a coffee, or maybe a mojito if we're lucky. Mojito, yeah, okay. And then walk back to the ship. Stopped, had a nice mojito and a coffee. That was nice, wasn't it? Yep. How much was it?
What, altogether?
Yeah. £9.60. £2.60 for the cappuccino.
Euro.
Yeah. How much?
€2.60.
€2.60 for the cappuccino, and £7 something.
€7.
€7. Yeah, €7 for the.
Mojito.
It's complicated, isn't it? Having euros and pounds. Yes.